Hello people, and welcome to my BMW F650GS Dakar 2006 model. I've had it 3-4 months now myself, maybe 5, and big plans for it to ride around the world. Bit of overland, definitely get out to Mongolia and back, so slowly modifying it as we go. Got some lights on, got the Scorpion exhaust, got a lithium battery in here, and today in the post got a new suspension setup, which is what this video is going to be about. Got the standard shocks and springs on it at the moment, which just is not up for the job for a long overland journey or anywhere near anything with luggage on really. So we've gone out, splashed on some TFX suspension, ordered direct from them in the Netherlands, arrived just today, so let's get unboxing. Hi there, just like to pause there for a second, and I'm going to apologise for using my Nikon DSLR camera to record this. I didn't quite realise how bad they were at video recording. You can hear the autofocus going. Depth of field's amazing though, isn't it? But anyway, we had to persevere because that's all I had at the time, and this is it, so sorry. These are going to be the progressive springs for the front forks. Play some oil for them. You can see these springs. Go. See the progressiveness. Some instructions. Now hopefully this is the sexy bit. The rear shock with a spring made to my weight requirements for load and yourself. You do your weigh yourself, all your gear, your mobile gear on, everything, and then also give an indication of what you're going to be carrying and how much weight and stuff. And so I did all that. A bit of a guesstimate of the weight of the luggage, and they make up a spring to suit. There we are. Look at that. That is huge as well. So this is a monoshock 141 with a hydraulic preload adjuster 143. I'm going to allow you a moment to admire the beauty of it, and just let you know that I will be making 2 more videos, one for the front forks installation and one for the rear shock. So subscribe, hit that bell, do whatever you need to do, and you can get some videos of me making a mess, not knowing how to install it. So stay tuned.